Alright, what's going on, guys? So we're starting today's video off by heading to the store because I gotta get a new oil bin to throw the old oil from the hatch and stuff like that. It's already stored right now, but I gotta put it in a better place because I want like a bin that can actually close. As well as we gotta run to the bank real quick, so we're just gonna do that, and then when we get back to the garage I want to update you guys on all the work I've done off camera on the hatch. I feel like all my videos start with me grabbing something from some store. Okay, let's see if I could find this bin. Okay, yeah, so I just wanted something like this so I can drain it and store it at the same time, so it'd be pretty sweet. All right, yeah, let's just grab it. Also, I'm gonna have to start looking for an engine stand soon so I could start, you know, tearing down the motor, but the store doesn't even have one. I know a place that will, but we're not really looking right now, so here we go. We just got this and we're just gonna go cash out. Alright, so this is the current state of the hatch. Yeah, the engine is out. I dropped it out the bottom because I didn't have a hoist, and I did a lot of research, and it's actually, well, this was way easier than pulling it out the top the last time I did it. So yeah, I can jack up the car a little more easily and slide it out, but we are stuck on one thing that I didn't forget to do, I just simply didn't do it because I couldn't. It's the shifter pin. The one with the pin, I don't know if you could see that down there. There we go, kind of focused. Is still attached because when I put it in, I hit it from the bottom, but not all the way through. So it's like sticking out the bottom basically. So that means I can't get it out from the bottom. So I couldn't do it when it was on the car, and I can't get it from the top because of the way the tranny is. So I'm gonna go underneath the car from the inside. Well, you know, underneath from over there, and detach it that way, and then, you know, get the car up higher and then slide the motor out forward. So yeah, everything's off, everything's on the ground. I filmed a clip before I took it out. I didn't actually get to work on it because my phone died. So I'm just gonna throw that clip in. It was me updating you on like what was off the car and stuff like that. So I'm gonna throw that in now. Here's where we are at now. We're literally right about to take the engine out. I decided to film now because it's an important part of the build. So here we are. Everything is out and off the car. So the axles are there, the coolant lines. I have the, you know, the rad fan, the distributor, and everything. So over here, the tranny bracket's off. One half of the shifter linkage is off. The one with the pin isn't. I'm gonna take that off in a sec. The clutch slave is off. Wiring harness is out. Everything is basically, you know, out and off the car. I was planning on taking the head off, but I just never did because I couldn't for some reason. So maybe I can do it now that, well, when the engine's out, it'll be easier to get to the manifold from the back and stuff like that. So yeah, the cams are out, just the cam caps and guides and stuff like that because I was working on getting the head out. Yeah, so basically that was that, and this is where we are now. So basically, I want to get the motor out, I want to get that shifter linkage out, and at least get it slid out today. And I also want to throw the car back on its wheels, or put the suspension back together, put it on its wheels, so I could put it on the ground and roll it out the garage. That way, when it's out of the garage, I can pressure wash the bay and get it all clean like I wanted and said I would do. I want it really clean, not like show clean, but, you know, not disgusting, kind of like how it currently is. So, and then when I get the engine stand for the motor, I have all the space in the garage for me to, you know, work around the engine and stuff like that while the car sits outside. So I'm going to start off by, you know, getting my work clothes, or, you know, what I wear to work on my car. And then we're going to go see if we can untouch the shifter linkage. Also, here's this that I got, by the way. I'm just going to put the new oil in that, or the old oil in that right now. Guys, so as you can see, the engine is officially out of the car. 100%. I took it out from there, like I said. I did have to get kind of sketchy with it. So, but it worked. Not complaining. It's not even on this anymore, by the way. It just kind of looks like it. But yeah. She's out. The only thing I have left to do now is, like I said, get rid of that oil in this bin. And then I don't know what to do next, really. I'm kind of calling it for now. I guess the next video I'll be putting the suspension back together and then taking it out, and we can start washing the bay, start cleaning the bay up, since I don't have a stand for the motor and I don't have parts for the motor either. So this will give us some time to, you know, tear into this, degrease it, pressure wash it, you know, tuck some of the wires where I can, maybe get rid of the evap since I already did my e-test and stuff like that. Anything to clean up the bay at all. I'm probably going to repaint it as well. As you can see, some of this little rust I'm going to repaint as well. But other than that, yeah. So I'm going to pour this oil out and call it a day. Thank you guys for watching this video. We have a lot more content coming now that the engine's out of the car and the weather is getting better. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.